This is Euro USD. From the bottom to the top of this range is the dealing range, and price expanded down under equilibrium 50% of this range and took this liquidity and expanded up. So after price came to discount and start going up, your first draw on liquidity is here, this buy side liquidity, and this buy stop liquidity, and then this buy stop liquidity, and these two buy stop liquidities will be your next targets. So every time price reaches an objective, it has a retracement back to discount and then expands up again into premium and takes the objective, the buy sub liquidity. Just like how it came up here, took this buy sub liquidity, came back to discount and then expanded up and took this. So this is the time for the Euro USD to come down here to discount before the expansion up to premium and take the objective buy sub liquidity. So knowing your discount and premium, your objectives, and when price will have a retracement and when price will expand up, it will give you the daily bias you want. And how you can identify those things are very easy. Your range is basically from the start of an expansion up to its objective where it ends. That's your range. Your discount is under 50% equilibrium of the range and premium is above it. Your draw on liquidity is the objective of the price, and for your bias, which is your draw on liquidity, after price reached its objective, your draw on liquidity is in discount, and after discount, your draw on liquidity is in premium or above the range where the price wants to reach, like those buy sub liquidities in Euro USD.